All right, folks, we're live on our very first drawing for Pick to Play. Take a look over here. We've got our list of names on the post. Going live now. As you can see, the time is 12:48. And we're going to pick out our numbers here. So we're rolling the dice first. Rolling the dice first here. Sorry about that. So there's our list. 2 pairs of dice. We have 10 rounds. Numbers in range 1 to 20. All right. So that's our first round. Hold on 1 second. Here we go. 120. All right, drawing now. First round. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th round. Number 15. And number 15 is Susan Fisher. Congratulations, Susan. We are finishing up at 12:49 in the AM.